an alleged prostitute charged with manslaughter in the death of a Google executive on a yacht in California has just pleaded not guilty. And after her plea, the judge sent Alex Tickleman back behind bars. Not only is she accused in the heroin death of Forrest Timothy Hayes, a married father of 5, but investigators are also looking into whether she's involved in the death of an Atlanta nightclub owner. Dean Riopel dated Alex. He played in a band known for its sexually explicit lyrics and fetish themes. He died at his home several months ago, just 2 months before the Google executive. Alex, the alleged prostitute, was there at the time. One of Riopel's former bandmates told CNN affiliate KRON that his friend would never use heroin or any other drugs. He suspected that something much more sinister is at play.
There's no way that guy did heroin. No freaking way. She got him drunk and he's probably sleeping, and she probably dosed him up and he freaking died. And he was no way in shape or form any kind of user of heroin or drugs or anything.
And Kyung La is live in Santa Cruz, California. Kyung, really a spectacular case. What happened in court?
Well, she entered the not guilty plea, as you mentioned, Deb. She also requested that she be released on her own recognizance. That was denied. She asked that her bail be reduced. It is currently at $1.5 million. That was denied, so she was taken back into custody. Through most of this arraignment, she was extremely quiet. She didn't say anything. Her eyes were pointed at the ground. Her family was there, her parents and a woman who appeared to be her sister. These are very serious charges: felony manslaughter, drug possession, and prostitution. Police say that she is the one who gave 51-year-old Forrest Hayes that lethal dose of heroin, and instead of calling 911 as he was suffering, instead allowed him to die at her feet. Police also say that she was a call girl in Silicon Valley and that she met her clients and Hayes through a controversial website. And according to the website itself, they have millions of users.